In this video, we'll learn how to use the dichotomous key to blowfly species. If we scroll down our page, we will see the key here in this box. This key presents us with a series of choices that we have to choose which one matches our unknown specimen. So in this case, we always start at 1 here, where we look at the basal section of the stem vein and whether or not it has CD, this row of hair right there, or it's bare. It doesn't have any hair on it. When we decide which one we think our fly matches, we then select the corresponding number. Be sure to select the number and not just to click anywhere else in the slide. If we decide that we're going to go with this left choice, that there are CD on the stem vein, we click 2, and that takes us to 2. We can see here we are on couplet, or choice number 2. We continue along this process, making these decisions until we reach a name, such as here. If we decide that our fly has the greater ampulla has stiff erect CD, we can see these CD here, then that means we've identified our fly using this key to Chrysomya rufifacies. We can click on this name, which takes us to a slide with images both top down and from the side of this species. If we think we have made a mistake somewhere along the way, or we want to start identifying our second specimen of flies, we can click this number here and go up to slide 1, or we can refresh the web page to reset the key. When you're finished using the key, you can scroll back to the top of the page and return to the forensics home, where you can select the next key to use for your identifications.